Presenting Redmi 13C smartphone. It is available in the color black, green and white. This smartphone is also available in various options like 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. It is equipped with 6.74 inches HD plus 90Hz display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, 600 nits in high brightness mode. This phone equipped with 50MP AI dual camera with primary sensor of focal length 1.8, 4-in-1 super pixel with the following modes: photo, portrait, night, video, 50MP mode, time-lapse, classic film filters, frame, HDR, Google Lens, voice shutter. High-performance MediaTek G85 octa-core processor, enhanced gaming with 1 GHz GPU. Adding to it, this smartphone has 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging.